the worrying aspect, I say, Muma Yankan, it is quite clear, say, the issue of dumsor and sana NPDC it be take over. But you see, Sir Mike, if you do the idea, you take both liability and asset.
Yes.
Master John Mahama, Obiaji tum say na enema in terms of the electricity, na yet better and sana will take over. No, you fine show, but yes, now unfamonensi form. Because the rate at which nkani anu sisi ano echo off no terrible. No, terrible. No. Jinapo.
Yeah.
Energy minister.
Yeah.
If you hear and what or ma all the exposés I will trust for you. Now you are in charge. I am worried. Sir Mike, she said you can't plan again. Want to?
I'm dumsor. But the problem is, me person kasa ma ECG. Ben I show you so near Bekasa. In the next 20 minutes time on Bekasa. Because me on Monday, and I ben frame ECG PRO. Kumasi Asante West. Or frame me. Can me say, or person me ba, maybe you wanna be shady. No more dum here. So now me wo, maybe I more to about for Council of State. Me frame of Atabodi. And then Atabodi buy no. Atabodi drew me say na omoko, or friend omoko. Ben the videos be eguswama ya no pay a platform no so. And then oba be chire. Who so better na okasa for dum theft e koso. E wa dum against the Electricity Company of Ghana. Baby a omo mo friend say omo transformer
yeah.
Yes. And in fact the complaints are too many. Say amount for we apart. Me na me catch Ben say obo mo ton na transformers na ho no ye van share wo first of all ye can declare mo say omo na ewia na omo mo no enye watchmen and women enfama ECG for we na wa say all those we am tie dum light there but dum ha there na there it becoming too many
too much
enti ye besere but I believe so oba ono no be able to but you see yan tell say what could for so ANCC and also another factor and also was a what could for so ANCC dum ha there no omo no se be ban ba ha no
yeah
na me so na won wodi nkomo bi no mo se dum dia nka dru anyimra obi a Kofi enti no ha na a business center nka daytime and on me light no enti no aho kire ba dia daytime Kenya light anyimra na nka tutumba azuma ha no we can count not less than be 6 radio stations,
yeah,
5 or 6 in a doom. You talk of EZRA, talk of Boss FM, Hello FM, or the Pa FM, Kesben. Intino enye baby man say we did about you know so one obi Kofi they na manopa. I think they have to watch that. And I answer I tete baby so dundum to atonsu area na that so no. Yan sere omo. You say omo yen CC. But omo nche ne pepepe ebi mo enjoy pa obo otu ka me de me hu bi o
me ohun bi ye bi so dem wa
ebi so dem sa
obi so hu
ebi mo hu
yes so de ye area ho de ye na
ebi mo hu
oh I see
especially ye kada say no omo aban mu no
ai
omo hu omo ko ka so hu he so na aye biblinti e be sere omo
I think say the NDC will have all the explanations to give. But you see, John Dramani Mahama, the biggest challenge I will nyaya over the 4-year term will be there. Na man for a bone so ubia okanasem or taking on was the issue of incompetency, and that incompetency was as a result of dumsor na edoso edemaye. I want to charge John Mahama say all my history in repeating home. Because you see, EZRA, I watched the Council of State Leicester or Diaba.
Yeah.
I mean, most decisions are John Mahama taking for this time round. I think that he's being more Ghanaian than NDC. John Mahama is trying to position himself as more Ghanaian than the NDC. And Sanya no na yeshe. But in as much as taking up certain precautionary measures, good decision, policies, ideas, no, it should be a holistic approach to the entire problem. I know. So, Mike, the ordinary Ghanaian, and you was that I declare no who. The ordinary Ghanaian, your council of state members are where you are fair, wafa elsewhere administration, so fire a for nominal penny for him and wardrobe home. Me, Sammy Soriano pa. Na Ghana ni bia ono wotie taxi driver ochini car a ono wotie ano pay the only opposite wotie nyina ne say 1 ne kan ye ni siso
yeah
2 onye nsuo no
94.1
3 okono okwa akoto aduane at least aduane bo ayo okay kakra
94.1
4 ni security ne bambo a wonam no sabe eye ejina so obi ma mema na problem say abai we asane ma we nyina ma Ghana ni na wote baabi na wudi usika na wudi ubu Ghana san na de ye koye ho hare yen me bambo ye okay me koto ade a ye to ebo no ene me ba e kina ye ntum sa basic things we ye writer say Mike Ghana ni mfa wo ho o man pani de akofo time I can tell you for a fact aban bi en one nkofo ne appointees edi sika pa wo Ghana ha enrichi wo mo ho than on Mampani Dadakofo. But Ghana 4 was not worried. So Mike, CD redenomination here, you know. Sikari na kubuhi. Any time there is CD redenomination, people get rich. If you have 50th anniversary, 50th anniversary,
Ghana at 50.
Ghana at 50. Sikari but on the social intervention policies by Metro Mass or the buy Kofo di Huska, health insurance, Kofo Yedi, way, school fee, the late Ojampa, Amwako to 4. No, a day a school fee, they enrich themselves, health insurance and them. But Ghana does not care. So who declare the rough MPP for Inyana Kasia pa and the last 8 years. And they say MPP for the di Ghana sikeni bi. One so man you almost say obi ani bi. Oba no aye na ni miam no ba betrase. And ye nyina ye niska and none of aye betray. That was the crime of most of the MPP problem because you see Ghana ni awoto no
yeah
the ordinary say wada kakra wo abedi aban bia ni wiase a obesori anopa no watem sika e di abehye wo nsem say Ghana ni wasori diskedi no government even Switzerland the crown wo mo woska
declare surplus no unemployed and you tell Mokai no crown you will be able to now but the reality is that only African countries penifon one woman food butu so no mu di wo ben na was say me dey see ahia me o me ho kire me o na den and so no wodidi and that is the problem that we have under MPP government do Mahama masa baby egru no honeymoon na twam Ghana ni person kan ya ni sisu my enye obi be ka say MPP kura tena ban mu anka dumsor no yes na MPP wo ne nyankane ya no it was off na call off na ba bronya ye di nyina na off but the nunti ene e pamo John Mahama Kofi Asante de Baumia so omunko na bra e wom say yenim say wo ba betra so first nkane no call off there but we think say at least this time round you are having a different thought, you are having a different orientation, having a different circle, having a different branding over to ensure say Ghana ho be heading e be hare no it's so bad and said ye who no so kra wo mu no enye yizo
ewie mo hye